let's look at this. It says, if log 2 is equals to this and log 3 is equals to this, we should find this in terms of x and y. Okay, now let's go for this because there's nothing to solve here. They've given us what is s and what is y. But we need to find this. We need to introduce s and y to this question. We need to make s and y to be part of this question. The only way we can do that is we find this in this place and also this in this question. So our target now is to be working to find log 2 and log 3 in this place. Once we do that, we can now substitute s and y to be part of this. So therefore, we are going to say this is what? The square root. That is 1 over 27, 72 raised to power 1 over 2. As you can see, we can't move forward. What I'm going to do now is to change the base. Okay? So change the base. To say this is equals to and also what base can I introduce? I will put 27. I will put 10, 10. Okay? The next thing you should ask me now is, why did you put 10, 10? Why 10, 10? Why not 2, 2? Why not 3? Because of 27 is here, 3. No. We are looking for this and this. As you can see, if you have something like this, what is here is base 10. We have said it. If there is no base in any log, it's base 10. So, because I'm coming towards here, I should have something that has base 10. Okay? If, for instance, I leave the answer without this, I'm still correct. Behind the C, there's base 10. It's only base 10 you can do this with. With other base, you must write them. But let's put them just to avoid confusions. So what we are going to do now is equal to this log 10 72 minus 1. Remember, this is minus 1. Then we come here to say remember, we are going to log 3 and log 2. You must put that at the back of your mind. That is what we are going to. So, what is this in terms of 2 and 3? Start thinking. This one, for instance, you agree with me, is 3 times 3 times 3. That is 3 raised to power 3. So, I can move this 3 to this place. This is settled now. I can even rewrite this by removing this. As you can see now, I now have log 3. Log 3 is a dot deal. Let's concentrate here now. What is 72 in terms of 2? And start thinking. 9 times 8 is what? Think. This will help me with 3 raised to power 2. This will help me with 2 raised to power 3. Still 3 and 2. Because this will give us 72. So therefore, I can come here to say this equals to 1 over 2 log to the base of 10, 8 multiplied by 9. Okay? These two like this all over. Okay? I can expand this to become plus, because of these times, then we have to separate. Check it out. So what is this? This simply means 2 raised to power minus 3. 3 raised to power minus 2. All over this. Remember, there's 10 here. I can remove that, I put minus 3 here. I can remove this 2 to put minus 2 here. Okay? 1 over 2, as you can see, I can expand this further to have this multiplied by this minus 3 over 2 this is also 2 over 2, which is 1. Can decide not to put the 1. Let's just put it so that you see everything clearly. Also, you agree with me now? I come here to say this is log 2 without writing the 10. This, and this is 1. So no need to put the 1. Can put log 3 over 3 log 3. Now as you can see, we have log 2, log 3, log 3. So now let's go back and see again what the question is all about again. Log 2 is x, log 3 is y. That is to say, this over 2, this is what? X minus y over 3y. Okay? Let's multiply the numerator by 2, then the denominator by 2. You agree with me? This multiplied by 2 will give us minus 3x. This will be 2y all over 6y. This is the answer, okay? So you can trace it backward. As you can see, we started from here. Okay? Hope this understood. Thank you for viewing.